system again. You got to do 3 seconds before it's over.
Alright, I went out fishing today. It's the middle of May. Bait's here pretty thick, so bait's hasn't been a problem. The dolphin bite's been okay, so decided to give it a shot. Ran out, had one shot at one dolphin, and I ended up fat fingering the gaff right at the side of the boat. So didn't stick him good enough, and the line popped right when it happened. He thrashed, so got away. But that's the way it goes sometimes. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you would, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, helps me bring you more of this stuff, and share with your friends on Facebook and whatnot. Y'all have a good one. Catch 'em up. Lost him. That's what happens when you try to gaff and run your own rod. I get him next to the boat, I hand my line and stuck him with a gaff, and he freaked out and popped my line. Well guys, that's how you lose a dolphin at the boat. When you're fishing by yourself and you hand line it. I should have grabbed the leader instead, but yeah, lost that one. Now what was real interesting about that hit was I had just motored to a new spot, shut down. I had two baits in the live well on lines. I had my down line thrown in there and that flat line thrown in there. What I did was pull them out of live well, untangle them. I just flipped that flat line out of the boat. I mean, that bait was literally banging beside the boat. There wasn't a foot of line off the end of the fishing pole, and then the leader just dangling in the water, and that dang dolphin swam right up and grabbed it while I was putting my bottom line down. So just one of those really weird hits. So I'm seeing some flashes of blue over here off my starboard side, so I'm gonna go check it out.